All right, let's see if you understand what we just learned from the previous video. Okay, without writing electron configurations, identify number of valence electron in each of these following main groups element. Calcium, how many valence electrons are there? Well, if you look at the periodic table, where's calcium? Calcium is right here, right? So group 2, how many valence electron? 2, that's it. The number of valence electron tells you the group, where they come from, right? Now, let's say aluminum without writing electron configuration. Where's aluminum in here? Aluminum is right there, right? So that's group 3A. How many valence electron? 3 valence electron. Good, all right. Bromine, what's bromine? Everyone should know now. Halogen, so group 7. So 7 valence electron. And neon, now neon is right here in group 8. So 8 valence electron. Okay, the only one that doesn't follow this is just helium, because this helium is a small atom, got only 2s orbital, 2 electron, that's max, can't fit any more than that. But this guy is in group 8. Okay, all right, now write an electron configuration for each of the following elements, right? Pause it right here, do on your own, right? And then follow and I'll compare this to me later. All right, argon 18, so I'm gonna go 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 6 more, 3p6. Okay, all right, potassium. So we're going to go 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, that's 18. That's 18. So one more. Where are we going to go next? So right now we are right here. Where are we going next? Not the 3D. 3D is locked. I'll tell you why 3D is locked, right? All right, now let's say, assume now, so we don't have 3D right now, 3D is locked. What else going to happen? The last electron has to go to the 4s1 right there, 4s1. 3D is locked, okay? All right, now let's try calcium. Can you feel that it starts getting redundant, right? Just repeat the same thing. All right, now 20, 1s2, go 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, and 4s2. All right, 4s2. All right, here's the deal right here. When the 4s is filled full, right, full, no more electrons can fit in here. That is when the 3D orbital is open. Yeah, it's like a quest game on the internet that you have to like go find all the keys, and once you get all the stuff ready, the secret door is open. So, all right, the only way to open 3D is fill out the 4s orbital. When 4s orbital is full, 3D is open, right? All right, scandium 21, going to be exactly like calcium, right? So 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, and then the orbital is open now, right? Once 4s2 is filled, the orbital is open. You can add the last electron onto the orbital. So scandium have the 1 electron in the 3D orbital, 3D1. Look like that. All right, now we have iron right here. So 26, so we're going to go 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2. That's 20 electrons. That's 20 electrons already. And when 4s is filled, 3D orbital is open. All right, the last 6 electrons. If you remember, how many electrons can fit into the orbital? If some of you remember. 10 total. They are 5d orbitals, and each one can fill to 2 electrons, right? So 10 electrons can fit into d orbital. So 6 electrons are going to go to d. We call 3d6. Okay. All right. Speaking of the d orbital open, why we have to fill 4s first to open the 3d orbital? If you still remember, this is Alpha principle. He's a physicist name, and he said that adding electrons have to be from the lowest energy orbital to higher energy orbital. Well, we know that already told you. So we start filling up electrons from the lowest energy orbital because it's the most stable. Right? Now, if you want s, go to 2s, 2p. Once 2p is full, you go to 3s. Once 3p is full, go to 3p. Right? Now, we're supposed to go to 3D, but the energy level of 4s is slightly lower than that of 3D. So that's lower than that of 3D. That's the reason why you have to fill out the 4s first before you go up to 3D. Okay, that's the only reason. Okay, the log thing is not a real thing. It's just an analogy, but it's the real reason is the energy level of 4s is lower than 3D. That's why we fill out the 4s first before we go up to 3D. Okay, all right, we have class activity number 3 here. Shouldn't be that difficult. It's all electron configuration or related to that. Okay, all right, let's go to the next video.